So, Ohm's law with the laser. Ohm's law. So, today Ohm's law na kaha. They will miss that. Battery equals current resistance. Remember. Okay. Guess tumor. So definition the color. It is the law which states that the potential difference is directly proportional to the current flowing through a wire with given that the temperature remains same. Okay, so wire chikune and current to the current chikwa potential difference the chikwa is. Okay, potential difference and current IRA. There are current directly proportional ratio. Okay, so that means V upon I equals 1. Or constant and V is equals to I. But current flows to some wire resistance. So resistance here. So R is the resistance that is also constant. Okay, so V is equals to IR is the actual formula of Ohm's law. Okay, clear on this? Equals to IR. Now the question is to some color by using Ohm's law level. Okay, find the current flowing through a circuit. Find the current flowing through a circuit with potential difference 5 volt and resistance 5 ohm to large. So 5 V is equals to 5 volt and resistance is equals to 5 ohm. Find current. The formula is this. Now we have to rearrange the formula. Okay, so that KC I did okay, so V is equals to IR I is equals to V upon R. Okay, R I is V upon R. So V is value to I equals to V is 5 upon R is value 5 to 5 1 I equals 1 30. Now 1 jela kisi as a unit timina that's why the I as a unit is ampere this side is okay, similarly kisi R said we have to rearrange the formula again, then put in the values, then you get the answers. Okay, V equals to IR, no need for further arrangement of the formula. Okay, so potential difference elements in sign and SI unit. Now third thing of the Ohm's law.